Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. So in the video of today, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp messages from both sides step by step. So first of all, let's go and open WhatsApp and enter to the conversation that we want. And we will send a message, hi. So to delete this message from both sides, you need to click for 3 or 4 seconds on this message. And then as you can see on the top, there is some icons that appear here. You need to go to the trash can icon and click on it. And as you can see here, there is an option, delete for everyone. Delete for everyone. You just need to click on this icon. And as you can see, your message is deleted for both sides. But you should know that you only can delete your message from both sides for the first 24 hours after sending the message. But after 24 hours, you can't delete these messages no more. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.